Hi, boys and girls. It's Shane and Jennifer. Oh, she's gorgeous. We're kind of color coordinated today, aren't we? We're going to be looking at this house to see what kinds of repairs and things would work and if $78,000 would make a great deal. How much would a house like this cost where you live? And I want you to tell me how much you think these repairs are going to take. It might surprise you, but let's see inside. They've definitely done a pretty good job on the outside, it looks like. So this is all new siding. Kind of neat. It's a big house. This is in a historic neighborhood close to the center of downtown. And the city has about 100,000 people. Let's see about going inside. For the porch lights to fit on, so the electrical wires will be ran behind it. Do you know if the wiring's already been done?
Oh, not yet.
Okay. As we walk through, let me know what you think is your favorite feature of this old house. Okay? So you started with the outside and...
Yeah, so I did the full outside because that was the main thing that the city was getting into.
Right.
And I talked to the guys, I haven't touched anything inside besides cleaning.
Okay.
But everything the outside roof. Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll take a look around and just kind of see what we need to do.
Somebody did popcorn.
Hi, Shane.
ceilings?
Yeah, popcorn ceilings. We see those a bunch, don't we?
I feel like this would work with a chandelier.
These are nice oak floors. So they look relatively flat in here. We're going to kind of look at it throughout and see how they go. When you're buying a house like this, you definitely are getting a project, and it's about how big of a project that you're getting, right?
I like the feel of this, the way that this is set up.
Right?
I do. I like.
And I like the stairway embellishments and things for sure. Whoa. Okay, so this goes down into the basement. We'll do that at the end. Let's go ahead and go up first. Or go through the kitchen.
Still has some of the.
Yeah, some of the original features. Yeah. Look at how big the picture window is in this dining room.
That's huge.
That's what she said. And we have, so it was a vaulted ceiling in here. So you can actually see the plaster would have been the original up there, if you can see in the light.
The original height of the ceiling.
That would have been the original height. So then they did a drop down because the plaster was cracking where they did drywall and kind of did that. That's nice. Somebody spent a little bit extra on it. Laminate in the kitchen is always a bad idea. That's why this floor is bad. And this floor is definitely squishy here. We usually see that in kitchens because of all the water from the sink rotting out the old floors. Never open the fridge when you're doing a walkthrough on a house. Bad idea.
So this would be the back porch. Would be a big window.
This house has some huge windows. This one's actually been in Smallland. It was bigger than that before. You can see.
Yeah.
This would have been the original size of the window.
Wow, the original window was huge.
Yeah. And this original door would have been much bigger too. They've come in with a smaller door.
Yeah, that would have been. Oh man.
And we
to
have
be able
a
to open up both sides of that.
bathroom back here.
Oh.
Okay. There would have been a window in here. This floor is really bad. Not sure if the clawfoot tub was set up here. That's some kind of drain pipe. Maybe they had laundry set up. Look at that. Ew. Let's go upstairs and take a look up there. Now that we do air conditioning, you don't want as big of windows.
Yeah, this is smaller. For
Yeah.
Sure.
So the original window came to here.
But whoever built this house just loved the big windows, and
Yeah.
I'm here for that.
Oh, wow.
When you have doors like this that end up missing over the years, they're really hard to find doors that are exactly this size.
Yeah, you almost have to custom make them because the height is shorter than what a regular door would be. And yeah, I'm glad it's still intact.
Mm-hmm. The inside's not been...
That would have been the way it would have looked probably originally, would have been this dark color. Look at this, dear.
Perfect.
Look at this. Ew, the carpet you can just smell. Ew, man. I want to touch it. Okay, so this would be where the chimney would have been on the outside. So the chimney gets cold and holds that cold. And we have hot temperature swings here with humid air and cold. So then the moisture will condense on that cold area of plaster over years and years and years. And that's what causes that. Don't know if I can get in there from the other side or not. We'll see in a minute. This is just such a nice historic neighborhood. All right, let's go to the other rooms up here. How much would something like this cost where you live? How much would it cost you to buy a house like this? Could you buy a house like this?
Okay, well, it at least is the same. That's why the doorknob is gone, so they.
Oh, gotcha. So this would have been made to have airflow. You'd open all the doors and open all the windows, and the upstairs airflow would make it livable.
How is the roof on this?
I don't know yet. We'll look at the roof when we get out.
This is where maybe we should get a drone.
Big attic fan here. Look at that huge, well, that would have been a big attic fan. Oh, this is different. Oh my. Wow, this is a little bit loud, isn't it?
It probably was really cool at one point.
It looks neat with your shirt. Color coordinates with you. Cool. So you can buy a house like this and actually get financing that covers the repairs and renovation. So a lot of people are like, oh, I could never afford to renovate it if I were to buy it. The banks can give you loans to help with that.
This is a good sized bathroom.
There's the chimney that goes down into the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
So the kitchen would be right below us.
This is a good sized bathroom.
Oh, look at this. The tile on here is good. And they kept the original metal tub. So that's original metal.
Heavy.
Although somebody spray painted right on the tile. Chrome spray paint.
Oh, we have more of the circle.
Oh, wow. Somebody really liked that. And this one has drop ceilings.
Apartment C.
So somebody had rented out individual rooms in this. And then we have the purple circles. Weird. Weird, weird, weird. So, would you be afraid to take on a project like this? There's some wasp nests. Or would you be excited to try to restore a home like this to be amazing?
Look at the cladding seems good.
Yeah.
It's in good shape.
I guess we need to go down into the basement and see what it looks like down there. I'm excited to see what we find in the basement. Let's go take a look. 5 upstairs bedrooms. I don't think there were any bedrooms downstairs.
No.
So guys, you should descend the stairs before your lady. That way you can assist her on the way down. If she were to fall, she can catch herself on you. It's really important manners. Okay. Going down.
So the doorknob is missing to go into the kitchen. What's this?
Okay, this is the way to the basement.
So did the whole house have bars on the windows?
That's what that looks like. Somebody had put bars in the windows. Ah, the door is stuck. Ooh, spider webs. Ew. That one's still alive. Ew. Ew.
I like the door from the outside, so I
Hold
didn't
this.
see any servant stairs or anything
Hold
like
the
that.
light and the... I think I'm trying to get into the basement.
But this-
I didn't bring a pry bar with me. Feels like perhaps it's got screws in it. I'm not going to be able to get that open. Yeah, there are screws here and here, and I didn't bring my screwdriver. Guess I don't get to see in the basement right now. I really think this house is